Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your engine air filter on a 2014 Toyota Camry. And this is the air filter right here. I just picked this up locally. It's a MGA 49223. The air filter sits inside this box here, so that we just have these little metal clips. Just pull these back and then just pick this up like so and pull out the old filter. Now this one doesn't look terrible, but we do have some debris and it is dirty, so we'll go ahead and put in a new one. Now it's a good idea to vacuum out this box. You can see we've got a couple little plastic tabs that have gotten sucked in through here. I'm going to pull those out. But any debris or foreign debris that's in there, we want to take that out, and I'm going to also vacuum this out. Now, as far as the orientation, you can see this one came out this direction and it just has this one corner that sticks out a little bit farther. That's how we can match this up to our new filter. You can see that the shape here, it's kind of curved around each of the other corners, but this one is slightly sharper. So we'll just match that same orientation and lift this up carefully and place it right down in the little recess there. Our little battery cover is kind of in our way. I'm just going to pull that up. Now there are these two little tabs in the back, and when you put this on, you have to make sure that those tabs line up there like so. So those tabs have to go into the little openings down here. Line those up and push it that direction. So just line it up with those tabs, push it in and over and then down. And then these metal clips, you can just pull them like so to clip back into place. And you're done. That's how easy that is to change your air filter. So when you go to get your car serviced, if the dealership or whoever tells you that you need an air filter and they want to charge you, I don't know, 80, 70, 100 bucks, don't do it. Just go to an auto parts store, pick up one of these, or I'll put a link in the description where you can pick up one as well. Save yourself a bit of money, and it only takes a minute or two. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Like I said, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up one of these replacement filters as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.